Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing A-1 Budget Motel. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi and a family rooms. Located 5.4 miles from the Homestead-Miami Speedway, this motel features free Wi-Fi and free on-site guest parking. A microwave is available in each room. A refrigerator is included in all rooms at the A-1 Budget Motel. A cable TV is available as well. Laundry facilities are accessible at Homestead's A-1 Budget Motel. Air conditioning and central heating are provided. The Florida Keys Outlet Center is 3.7 miles away. Guests are 12.2 miles from Everglades National Park. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.